Hi folks, it's Chef Kevin. Yesterday I made the organic chicken stock, and that took me 14 hours between the cooking time, which is 12 hours, and the prep time, add another 2. So that's 14 hours of labor, but I'm not worried about it because the final product is really delicious, really healthy. This is one of the quarts. I want to take a closer look at this in a minute. In the meantime, I'm making chicken soup. Now, the ingredients for the chicken soup are chicken stock, chicken broth. In this case, I have yellow fried rice with vegetables and chunks of white meat, chicken white meat. The broth is cooking away. I have 2 chicken carcasses in here, and some aromatic vegetables. And that's the broth. The broth will be mixed with the stock 50-50 to cut it. And this is going to add a whole bunch of flavor. I was thinking of using a commercial stock, Rachael Ray, but this is really not a stock at all. It's more of a broth. But after all that hard work, I said to myself, why should I be using a commercial broth? Rachael Ray, I love you, but this is not stock. And I'll show you in a minute. Okay, this is one of the 14 quarts of organic stock that I made. It's been in the fridge, not the freezer. And the fat has risen to the surface. So the best way to take the fat off is just take a spoon and pull it off. There's not a lot, there's about a 1/4 inch or so. You don't want the fat in the soup though, it just makes it taste too greasy and it's not healthy. Okay, now this is what makes a good stock a good stock. As you can see, it's not a liquid at all. It's more like a jelly. It's solidified. And that comes from the gelatin from the 10 pounds of chicken feet that I used. Now this has a whole bunch of health benefits and so on. You can Google around YouTube and find out more, but I'm just going to explain this from a chef's point of view more than anything else right now. And this will make the greatest chicken soup, and it'll make great sauces. It's a great base for sauces as well. So, if you take Rachael Ray's and put it in the fridge, and I've tried this, it does not solidify. This is not a proper stock. I know Rachael Ray's a much better chef than I'll ever be, but it is what it is. Okay, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Oh, and I'm up to 11 subscribers, by the way. Thank you so much.
Yes, please. $3. No soup for you.
Well, there it is, folks. This is my chicken soup. As if you don't know what a bowl of chicken soup looks like, but anyway. This is real good, healthy comfort food. I know I'm not going to win Top Chef with this, but that's not the point. And I have some garnish here. This is cilantro. Put that right on top. I love cilantro. It gives it a nice little grassy taste to it. Now if you look closely at the soup, you'll see that it's very dark in color. And that's from all the flavoring. That's all from the vegetables. That's not food coloring. And there's no starch in here. A lot of people use potatoes, and that'll make it a little cloudy, a little thicker, but that's not what I'm looking for. And a lot of people use pasta. They'll actually cook the pasta in the soup, and the starch renders out from the pasta into the soup to give it a little thicker look, but again, that's not what I'm trying to do. So, thanks for watching.